How to wake up with Spotify music. Hello, everyone. I have to tell you about Alarmify, the app that replaced my boring buzzer with my favorite Spotify tracks. Just search Alarm for Spotify in the App Store and download it. When you open Alarmify, tap Connect to link your Spotify account, then choose the exact hour and minute you want to wake up. After that, select alarm sound and type in any song or playlist you love. It's really that simple, and tomorrow morning you'll wake up to your favorite music instead of a generic beep.